Are you reading closely and looking? Let's circle the question mark and go all the way back to the beginning of the sentence. Let's read. It says, how many ears of corn did each hog get? Let's cross out the R and the U, and now we can read the details. It says, Drew fed 4 hogs on a visit to a local farm. He had 32 ears of corn and made sure that each hog received the same number of ears of corn. So now we can cross out the C and we can start circling some clues. Well, I know that this problem is about Drew, and I know that he fed 4 hogs when he went to a local farm. A hog is a type of pig that looks like this, and I know that he was going to try and feed them ears of corn. So this is an ear of corn. He had 32 ears of corn, so I'm going to circle that, and made sure that he was going to give each hog the same number of ears of corn. So now in the question, I'm going to circle how many ears of corn did each hog get. Now it's 3-step time. What should I do first? My main idea. How many ears of corn? And what do I know about the problem? Well, I know that this is about Drew, and I know that he tried to feed 4 hogs, and he had 32 ears of corn to share with them. So how can I represent that in a strip diagram? Well, I'm going to start off with Drew again. I knew that Drew had his ears of corn, and I know that he was sharing all of his ears of corn. Pretend this is the ears of corn. Pretend he's going to share that with his 4 hogs. The action right there was sharing. So I'm going to draw the 4 hogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 hogs. And I know that he had a total of 32 ears of corn. I'm going to put my total at the top. He's going to share that 32 with the 4 hogs, but I don't know how many each hog is going to get right now, so I'm just going to put a question mark in each. And now I need to match up my strip diagram with something on my action poster. And it matches up with share set equally, because I don't know how many each group is going to get. Question mark, question mark, question mark, just like mine. And the operation for that is division. So I'm going to write my clue off to the side so I can write my division number sentence in my strategy section. So I know I'm sharing from a total of 32, so that's where I'm going to start from. A total of 32 shared equally into 1, 2, 3, 4 groups equals my quotient. I know that I'm sharing from 32, so that number needs to be my total. And I'm sharing with 4 groups. So I'm looking for my number in each. Okay, I know this is a division number sentence, but these numbers are a little small, so that means we might be able to solve this using multiplication, because multiplication can sometimes be a little bit easier. So I'm going to write my multiplication symbol down here and the equals sign. Now I'm going to take a look at my how to find a total anchor chart. So since we're trying to turn it into a multiplication number sentence, I need to know that when you multiply, the answer is your total. So that means that this total of 32 now needs to be my answer. Here's 32, and the only other number in this sentence is 4. So I'm going to write 4. That means that 4 times something equals 32. And I can sing the 4 song. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So my missing number is 8. That means that that is my quotient, and that is the number in each. So in my strip diagram, I'm going to turn all of these question marks into 8s, because each of the hogs got 8 ears of corn. Did I answer my question? Yes. And that's B.